So I told you it was easy to send your Zoom stream to Teams or Zoom. I'm going to show you how easy it is here. So here I am looking at my PowerPoint slides. I'm going to scroll past start screen, start recording. I'm going to start virtual camera. And now that's lit up even when I move my mouse away. And it now says stop virtual camera. So I can click that to start and stop it. So my virtual camera is on. Okay, so here I am in a Zoom call with myself, which is a little bit strange. And what I'm going to do is I am going to go to the video icon. I'm going to use this little upward arrow to select a camera. And I'm going to select the OBS virtual camera. And then when I start my video, here we are. Thing that you can immediately see here is that it's put everything mirrored instead of the right way around. Now, it turns out it's only showing it this way to me. The audience viewing on the other end, they all see it the right way around. And I've looked into it, and the reason it shows it to me mirrored is because Zoom know that no one really likes seeing videos of themselves, but if they absolutely have to, they want to see the mirror image because that's what we're used to. We see the mirror image of ourselves all the times. And if you show us the right way around, it kind of freaks us out. We like it even less. So fortunately, you can turn that off, and I'll show you how to do that right now. Okay, I'm going to go over in my Zoom menu to the little cog for settings. And if I click that, here comes the menu. And if I pick video over here, OBS camera, I can unclick mirror my video. Boom. And there we are. It's the right way around for me as well as my audience. And I can push 3 now, and there's me doing it. I can push 1 now, and there's my picture. I can push 2, and there's just my slides. And I can happily switch what I'm presenting to my audience as I want to go. Now, if I have my Zoom call rolling here, and I want to show other people what's happening in it, I can just add, as one of my window capture sources, one of the Zoom windows. So here we are, and here's my colleague Dawn. And I can just resize this window. And then make it a bit bigger. There we go. And with a bit of messing around, I could make that look a little bit tidier. And then I can either do this in gallery view, and I can have an interview with 2 people. It looks very nice and professional. Or I could set that to speaker view, and then if different students were asking me questions, they would pop into the little window. And we could have a little Q&A session that streams to everyone very tidily. So that is another neat trick that you can mess with. Thank you, Dawn.